We cannot take things for granted, so we will not let our guards down.
As Shillong is experiencing frequent earthquake nowadays, questions have been raised on how are the buildings here, especially when Meghalaya falls under seismic zone 5. Talking to media persons, Minister in charge of Disaster Management Kiran Shillong said that the state government is monitoring all buildings in the state, particularly the government ones. Urging people to stick to building bylaws, the minister said this will help in protecting the building. He said that the construction of new buildings, however, are monitored by the Meghalaya Urban Development Authority.
With the new guidelines, I've seen that there are new buildings wherever they constructed. It has to go with that norms, or they have to fulfill the procedure and the criteria. I have seen even the big construction when it comes to natural calamities. Nobody can guarantee. All we can say is that try whenever you do any construction, please go as per the norms and then as per provided and then as per the request from the government, so that later on no one should not be blamed to anybody and then no one will lose their life.
A delegation of the